In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Shopify and other sections. This is a valuable tool for enhancing user navigation and improving the overall shopping experience on your site. Anchor links, also known as jump links, allow you to quickly navigate to specific parts of a web page with just one click, making it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for and boosting the efficiency of your site. Let's get started. First, you want to open your Shopify Store's Administrator page. From here, navigate to the Online Store tab found on the left-hand side of your admin panel. Once there, click on the Themes option. This will lead you to the Themes page, where you can easily access and edit your current theme. Look for the button labeled Actions beside your published theme. Click on it and then choose the Edit Code option from the drop-down menu. This step will take you to the code editor, where you can make changes directly. Now that you're in the code editor, it's time to locate the specific file you wish to edit. This could be any file within your theme, but a common place for anchor links is often within the product or article template files. Look in the Sections folder or the Templates folder of your theme to find the file you need. When you have located the right file, open it up in the code editor. Next, you need to create the anchor link. For the anchor link itself, you'll want to place an ID attribute on the destination element. That's as simple as adding an ID tag to an element like this, div ID, your ID. Replace your ID with a word or phrase that clearly identifies the section. Remember that the ID must be unique on the page and it should not contain spaces. Once you have set up your destination ID, it's time to create a link that directs users to it. In the place where you want the link to appear, insert an anchor tag. It should look like this, a ref, your ID, your link text A. Replace your ID with the same ID you used in the destination element and your link text with whatever text you want users to click on. It's a good idea to preview your changes before you save and exit the editor. So go back to the Shopify admin homepage and select Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. Look for the Preview option and click on it to see your site as users will see it. Here you can test your newly created anchor links and ensure that they work correctly. Finally, be sure to save all changes before leaving the admin panel. With that, you're done. You now know how to create anchor links in Shopify, effectively improving navigation on your site. Remember, these enhancements not just enhance user experience but also contribute to keeping users engaged, which is always a win for your store.